Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to use AI in your day-to-day programming. So what if I told you that 30% of code you write every single day could be done in just seconds? Yes, that is possible. So today I'm going to show you how I use AI every day to write, debug and optimize my code so you can code faster and smarter. Here I will quickly show you how I can write good amount of code within a 10 seconds using AI. This is the magic of AI. Let's dive into it. Just keep in mind that AI isn't here to replace the developer. It is here to upgrade us. In this video, I will walk you through my daily AI-powered programming workflow using tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT inside a VS Code. So let's get started. Before start, let me show you the tools I use daily and we are going to learn today. So first one is a GitHub Copilot. Second one is ChatGPT. When you are installing GitHub Copilot chat will automatically get installed because both are similar. So let's check how GitHub Copilot is working with the VS Code. Let me close this. So this is the code. Yeah. Hello friends, welcome to the channel is printing. And now I'm trying to create one class for shopping cart. So in next line, I'm just writing the class and shopping cart and just closing the bracket. So you can see here like GitHub Copilot suggested some code here. So I'm just pressing the tab here and just insert the close curly braces. And inside that constructor, yeah, you can see like GitHub Copilot suggested this code. So I need this code because I need to store some items here. And here we will add some more methods like as suggested here. I need to add method like add item to add the item in the list object. So I'm just pressing the tab and you can see here like after any key press GitHub Copilot suggesting some code, some next code means GitHub Copilot just analyzing the code which are written already and based on that he just providing us the next code. So I'm just pressing the tab here and closing this method and GitHub Copilot says it another method called getItem which are returning all the items. Remove item and boom. I just write the method in within a seconds. These are the methods which are required for this shopping cart class. Let's create the object of this class. So I'm just creating the object. See, here we were like adding the item in the cart, but Copilot already suggested. So I'm just entering the tab here and just saving this changes. Let me run this. Let's check like what AI is suggesting that is correct or not. So I'm just running. You can see here like the items are printed here. We have inserted apple and banana. Both are printed here. Let me let me remove one item, but we do not need to write anything. Copilot is suggesting everything. I'm just entering the tab here and see AI is amazing. It's just making you like 10 times faster in writing the program. So I'm just saving this right now and I'm running the code. Let's see. You can see here nothing happened. Like we have called this remove item method, but no any item get removed. So let me check. So you can see here this is not a complete code. So this is a perfect example to consider like AI will not replace the programmer. We can't trust on AI. We need to verify that. So I'm just entering here. I'm just writing the remaining code. So Copilot suggested here some code. I'm just entering because that is seems correct for me. So I'm just saving this and running the program again. You can see here like Apple has been removed from the array. So this is the use of GitHub Copilot. So now let's check. What is GitHub Copilot chat? So I'm just removing all the code which I have already written, and I'm just keeping the initial two lines, and I'm printing the result here. You can see here the message which I have written here, and here you will see the Copilot icon, and after clicking on this you will see this screen, and we can ask from here. Here you can see the GPT 4.1 has been used. There is option, so we can select anyone like Gemini 2.0 Flash, GPT-4, GPT-5 Mini. So we are not going to change this. Here you can see like we can use these symbols to add the context extension and command. I'm going to add one file, that is index.json, because I'm having only two files. One is the index.json and second is the package.json. So let me add that here, and now I'm going to give a prompt to the GPT. So that prompt is uh, provide me the function to check if the number is prime. So this is the prompt which I am going to provide to the GPT, and let's see what GPT will provide us. Now I'm just adding this code into the file by using this button. Code will come here. GPT provided this code, and this just check this number is prime or not. Let's ask some more question. I have just added index.js file, and now I'm just asking another question to GPT. Function to find second largest number from array. Let's see what GPT provide to us. So this is the code provided by the GPT. This code is showing here because we already having that code in our file. Another method is added here, and that is for find the second largest number from the array. So I'm just adding the code using this button, and let's see. So I'm just keeping that code into the file. GPT is providing the code based on that prompt. This will definitely increase your productivity. So this is the use of Copilot chat. Now I will show you how GitHub Copilot will help you to like debug the code and like optimize the code. So let me remove everything. I already prepared some prompt here, and let me paste here. So this is the code which is maintaining the author and book information. And let me tell you, this code having one issue. If we run this, then this will definitely break. As you can see, like we are creating the object of book class, and we are providing the title and the author. But here we are providing author as a null, and you can see like here we are accessing that author, and we are calling the add book method from this author. So if this object is null, then here we will get the null exception. So let me show you by running the application. So this is the result, and you can see like we are getting the cannot read property of null. So this is the error, and let me show you like how GPT will provide us the solution. So let me copy this code, and let me put here. Before that, let me add this file, and yes, this is the error. Here is a fix. Copy it and paste here, and check the fix by running the application. So like this, you can fix your bugs. I know in real life you will not get this type of issues. This is a very simple bug, but yeah, sometimes AI will provide you the correct answers, but sometimes you need to ask AI like multiple times, and you need to provide some more information there. So now let me show you like how AI will help you to optimize the code. So let me remove everything. And I have prepared someone optimized code. So let me paste here. So this is the function which is checking this the number is even or not. Let me run this and let me check like is this working? So yes, this is working and we are getting true. That means 4 is obviously even number. Now let me ask GPT to optimize this is even function. So I have already added this index.json and I'm writing here optimize the is even method and enter. You can see here like I provided the optimized code. Let me add that here and let me keep that code. The old code was like around 5 to 6 line and the AI provided optimized code which is only written in one line. Let me run this. So this is working as expected. So I'm having another example. Let me paste here. So this is the method which is finding the maximum number from the array. So let me run this. You can see the ninth is maximum number. And let me ask AI to optimize this code and enter. So this is the optimized code and let me add that here. I'm just overwriting this existing code with the new code. Let me hide this. So this is the method which is now having only 2 line of code. So let me run this. So like this code is also working same like the previous code, but this is the shorter one. So till now we have checked how Copilot is suggesting the code and how we can provide the prompt to the Copilot chat and how that is providing the piece of code to you. And we also check like how we can debug the code using the AI and like how we can optimize the code using AI. Similar you can use in your code and yes, you can increase your productivity and you can learn more things using this AI. So that's it for today. And if you learned something from this video, then please subscribe the channel and share to your colleagues. So thank you for today. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.